Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are sitting with Mr. Zakir Sheikh, who is the GMIT of Tanmia Chicken, one of our largest clients. We as Blink has been working with them for the last 15 months, and they are one of our happy customers. And since we started Blink at a time when there were lockdowns, and we partnered with Tanmia Chicken totally remotely. It's the first time we are meeting. They're visiting our stall at Jitex. So, Mr. Zakir, I would like to ask you, how has been your experience with Blink, and how did Blink help Tanmia Chicken?
Well, thank you, sir, for having me here at the Salt. And our experience with Blank was quite fantastic. Actually, during lockdown, where we had an issue of restrictions on our complete B2B sales and customers. And like we are chicken company, like we cannot stop production of chicken giving eggs, and from eggs to the chicks, and from chicks to becoming the, so we cannot stop that cycle. So one end was the production going on continuously non-stop, but at the other hand was the sales of those products, which was limited due to the lockdowns. Okay, so that's where we wanted to go to B2C, direct to the customers, and for that the platform was required at a very quick pace, okay, at a very short time, where things can make us do that. That's where we got in touch with multiple vendors. Okay, you guys were one of them, and it was good fortunate that we went with Blink, and Blink really helped us to deliver that whole platform initially at a very short span of time. And we were able to catch up with the market, catch up with our sales, and stop the bleeding of our non-sales stock items during last year. So that's where we really appreciate what happened with our partnership.
Thank you so much. So, what are the one biggest factor you think which is one thing you like about Blink? What will be that one thing that you really enjoyed find out and working with that some one big pain that we solved for you?
Like I said, the one big pain was that e-business, what we were not into, B2C business, and the e-commerce business we were not into. It's sort of a new channel for us, and having that channel, having that stream open for us, the main requirement was for the e-commerce platform. Okay, so that e-commerce platform was the one which you guys really helped us out, with a short span to achieve that strategic objective, and start selling direct to the customers. Other advantage of your guys and the pain of your guys, I would say, is that because you guys were there in the other market operating this platform, so technology wise you were quite mature enough to understand things. Okay, so it was not much difficult for you to deliver this at that short deadlines. Okay, that was the thing.
How was the onboarding experience? How quick was that? How from signing of contract to going live and start selling? How much time did it take you?
Like we said, we did our pre-demo, or our what do you call pre-go live demo within 2 weeks, and after that it took almost another 2 weeks to hit the go live, which is like a 1 month time. Okay, which was quite good. I mean, 1 month time to having an e-commerce platform up and running. Okay, which is like a remarkable thing. I mean, even if you go with any kind of Magenda, Shopify Me, and whatever platforms you have, the development, testing, and all those things would be like a nightmare.
Yeah.
Okay, which is easy 3 months to 6 months project, right? But with that, last May during the lockdown, working 24/7, your team, in Pakistan, and we are back in Saudi, we were non-stop working to achieve that 1 month deadline or 1.5 month deadline we had. So that was a complete overall go live. So
as always, Blink is all about improving themselves and building more. So how can we improve further? How can we grow bigger from here?
Yeah, I mean, see, you guys have the technology expertise, and you guys have the know-how. Okay, now only thing is you need to capture the culture here, okay, in Middle East, and capitalize on that using your technology, your platform, your people, and deliver that. So that's the thing which you guys can, really help. It will really help you guys to really get into this Middle Eastern market. So.
Thank you so much, Zakir Saab. It's been a pleasure working with you and having you here at our stall. Thank you.
It is a really indeed pleasure, and inshallah, may Allah help you guys to grow more than Tanmia, and inshallah you'll have more customers across Middle East.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help. www.blinkco.io